hunter went to the big forest now to hunt the big tiger.
Oh, is this the tiger? The idea was kill it to take it to sell.
When the police come to the hunter,
What are you doing?
I killed the tiger.
You should stop because this is for extinct animal. You know the law should to protect wildlife. If you do that, maybe you should go to the jail.
I will get money.
No, you should find another way. This way is not good. So I should to take your gun to the office. It's okay?
Yeah.
And then you should go with me to the police. I saw he is going to shoot the tiger.
Oh, I need to catch you.
Why? I didn't do anything. I will see the tiger.
Because the tiger will be too extinct in the future, so you must know.
But it's expensive.
In the future, you shouldn't how to know if you don't have a tiger, right?
Yeah.
And for this time, I said it's okay for this time. And in the future, you don't do it. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, that's all.